Hi students. Now third question. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. First one 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square. See this answer. First one 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square. Means here observe here a square plus 2ab plus b square form is there. 16 we write 4. X square 4x whole square we can write. Here 9 3y whole square we can write. So middle 2 4 3 2 4 8 8 3 24. Like see here observe 16x square we write 4x whole square plus 2 into 4x into 3y plus 3y whole square. Here observe 4x whole square means 16x square. 4 4 16 x square plus here 9 place 3y whole square. 3 3 is 9y square. Again 2ab. A means 4x, b means 3y. 2 4 is 8. 8 3 is 24. X into y xy. So here totally x square plus 2xy plus y square form is there equal to what this answer? X plus y whole square. So this is identity. Like a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. Here x means what? 4x plus y means 3y whole square. So a plus b whole square form. Again here square means 2 times 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 3y. This is answer. Second one 4y square minus 4y plus 1. 1 we can write 1 square. Here 4y whole square means 2y whole square we can write. Means in place of 4y square 2y whole square minus 2 into 2y into 1. 2 2 is 4. 4 into y 4y into 1 4y plus 1 square nothing but 1. So this total a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square form is there equal to a minus b whole square. This is one of the identity. Like a minus b. A means 2y. B means 1. 2y minus 1 whole square. 2y minus 1 whole square means 2 times is there. 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. This is factorize of this polynomial. Third one 4x square minus y square by 25. 4x square we write 2x whole square minus y square by 25. Y by 5 whole square. Again y square by 5 square 25. Now a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b form is there. A plus b into a minus b. This is one of the formulae. So a plus b. A means 2x, b means y by 5. 2x plus y by 5. 2x minus y by 5. These two factors of 4x square minus y square by 25. Next, fourth one. Here 18 observe there is no, this is not a square number. So 18 a square minus 50. Here 2 take common. 2 9s 18. 9 a square minus 50 2 25s. We can write. So 2 in this 9 a square, this is a square number. 3 square we can write. 25 5 square we can write. So 9 a square write 3a whole square minus 25 5 square. Now bracket observe a square minus b square form is there. A plus b into a minus b means 3a plus 5 into 3a minus 5. This is answer. Fifth question, x square plus 5x plus 6. So in this, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab equal to x plus a into x plus b. So this identity, so in this formula, here x square means x square plus a plus b, 5 is there, 5 right, 3 plus 2 into x, 5x plus 3 plus 2 plus ab means 3 into 2 we write, 6, we got it 6, like 3 into 2 equal to, here x plus a is a factor, means nothing but x plus 3 into x plus 2. Got it? Next, sixth one, 3p square minus 24p plus 36. Next one, see this one, same as it is formula, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab equal to x plus a into x plus b. So in this formula, here 3p square means 3 take common first, p square minus 8p, 8 3 is 24 plus 3 12s, 12 3 is 36. So in that 3p square minus 8 plus a plus b form, right, 6 plus 2. Why? Because here 12 is there, 6 2 is 12 again, like p plus here 12 place, here minus is there, like minus 6 into minus 2. Got it? Here 3 into p square minus 8p place minus as it is keep, 8 means 6 plus 2, 12 means here minus is there, minus 6 minus 2, again minus into minus plus 12 we get 6 2's 12. So finally this about this formula, x plus a into x plus b, 3 as it is, right? So x means p, p minus 6, p minus 2, these two factors. This is answer. Next, fourth question, expand each of the following using suitable identities. First one, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. So we know that a plus b plus c whole square formula, like first one, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square means a plus b plus c whole square. Here 3 are there, a means x, b means 2y, c means 4z. We know that this identity, a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is formula. So for this is identity. In this, a square, a means x square plus b means 2y whole square plus c means 4z whole square plus 2 into a means x, b means 2y plus 2bc, 2 into b means 2y, c means 4z plus 2c means 4z, a means x. Finally, do simplify this one. X whole square means x square plus 2y whole square, 4y square plus 4z whole square, 4 4's 16z square plus 2 into x into 2y, 2 2's 4, 4xy plus here 2 into 2 into 4, 2 2s 4, 4 4s 16 yz plus 2 4s 8, 8 zx or xz. This is answer. A minus b whole cube form is there. 2a minus 3b whole cube. Second question. So a minus b whole cube. A cube minus 3ab into a minus b minus b cube. This is formula. A minus b whole cube form. A cube means a means 2a, b means 3b. 2a whole cube minus 3 into a means 2a, b means 3b into a minus b. 2a minus 3b minus b cube means 3b whole cube. Next, 2a whole cube. 2 cube means 8. 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8. 8a cube minus 3 into 2 into 3. 3 to 6, 6 3s 18. 18 a into b, ab into 2a minus 3b as it is, right? Next, minus 3b whole cube means 27b cube. Next, 8a cube minus 18 2s 36 a square b. Here a into a square b as it is. Here minus into minus plus 18 3s 54 ab into b, a b square minus 27 b cube. This is answer.